Hello everyone, welcome to the Tree Fashion World. If today is your first time of visiting our channel, kindly please subscribe to our channel to get notified whenever we post a new video. Today I'll be showing you guys how to make your paper stone using your already made pattern board and your machine stone. So I've started making it. You can see I'm using number 1 stone. So I will show you guys how I made this now. Let's get to work. So all you have to do is just pour down your stone on where you want to make this of. And if you want to do the whole board, you can just pour it on the whole board. Get any pieces of clothes and just use it to rub it. You rub it. Continue rubbing it. If you have enough stone, you can just pour everything on it at once. Then you take out the excess when you are through. But I only want to do just few of it. I don't need all. So you can see now. You can see. So I will use my picker or my hand to fill in the remaining parts. Just insert it with your hands, or you can use a picker, your pin, hand needle, or whatever that you have at hand. You can use it to make your work faster. So I will continue like that, continue filling it till I'm done. Then I will show you guys when I'm through. So I'm done turning everything. You can see. So I'll go ahead and cut my transfer sheet now. I will open my transfer sheet, then I'll place the transparent side on it. You have to be careful. So you remove it gently and use this to remove it slowly, something like that. So you rub it very well. Then you remove it gently. And cover it back with the white side. Where is your sheet? You can see, because I didn't press this side very well. You can see the remaining part. But make sure you press yours very well so that it will not remain in the board. So that's all about how to make your transfer. Thank you. Please don't forget to like and follow and subscribe to our channel. Stay blessed.